It's not like this. You have to, are you left-handed?
That was so cool.
Olis, today we are dancing flamenco. I'm Andrea Rueda and welcome to Move with Andrea, where we talk all things dance, cultures, and travel. Okay, so I've never taken flamenco ever in my life and I've always wanted to do it, and today is the day! And of course, because dancing is way more fun with friends, I have invited a special guest and she should be here right now. Oh my God, she's here, let's go. Liberty, how are you?
I'm good. I brought you a puppet.
Thank you so much. Guys, this is Liberty Barros. Google calls her the most flexible girl in the world. She's a multiple record holder. She has mastered yoga poses since she was 10 years old, and she also just won the Golden Buzzer from Super Talent Croatia. Reality TV star. I can go on and on and on. You guys, how are you today?
I am excited. I don't know what we're doing today. What are we doing?
Surprise, surprise. Have you ever taken a flamenco class?
No, but I've seen some when I was doing Got Talent in España. I saw some flamenco dances there and it was so cool. But wait, are we gonna be doing it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm kind of nervous, but it sounds great.
I am taking you down for the ride. Guys, I'm so excited. We're with the most flexible girl in the world. Today is gonna be fantastic. Let's go. Liberty! The most flexible girl in the world over here. Okay, Liberty, but we can't go like this. How about if we dress for the occasion? What do you think?
I think so. I think that's a great
do
idea.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Now we're ready to dance flamenco. Woo! Bamboleo, bambolea, ba-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. All right, we're in the car. Are you guys ready? Liberty, are you ready?
Yes, I am above ready.
Woo! Let's go dance flamenco. Okay, Liberty, so we're on our way. I'm so excited that you're gonna take this class with me because I've been wanting to do this for so long, but I have to ask you, I mean, how much do you know about flamenco? Have you tried it before? Have you seen it?
Okay, so basically, when I was on Got Talent in España, they took me to Spain and they showed me some of their Spanish culture. So they showed me flamenco dancing, they took me to where it's trained and everything, and then even some contestants on the show, they were flamenco dancers, which was so cool to see because just the way they dress and everything about what they do, it's so beautiful. And I love the Spanish culture and everything about it. So today I'm really excited to try it out. It's gonna be so much fun. I really hope I do it justice because it's an amazing art form.
It's okay, you and me, we're both on the same boat. I hope I do it okay too. I don't want to insult our teacher.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have like a little private dance. I'll tell you more about it in a little bit and where we're going. But do you know that flamenco only existed in the most southern region of Spain?
Historically, flamenco existed only in the southernmost region of Spain, known as Andalusia. And within this region, we find the home of the Roma Gitanos, or Gypsies. In the 15th century, during the Christian reconquest of Spain, King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, the Catholic monarchs, were purging all of Spain, which included pressuring the Sephardic Jews and Moors to abandon their cultures and to convert to Christianity. At the same time, the migration of the Iraqis, Turkish, Greeks and Rajasthans from India influenced the Gypsies, the Jews and the Moors. The intermingling of these ancient subcultures produced the mysterious and unique art form known as flamenco. Flamenco became a profound tradition that brought deep emotions to life through dance and dealt with shared themes of anguish, despair, and secular oppression. Then, during Franco's fascist regime, those in power recognized the marketing influence flamenco had over tourists and that it had a wider appeal than other Spanish cultural products. Franco seized this opportunity to commercialize flamenco and used it as an avenue for broadening Spain's tourism industry.
The end.
That was so cool. Yeah, I can't wait for today. Let's go.
Okay, we're here. Oh my God. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Welcome to El Cid in Los Angeles, California. For over 2 decades, the venue has hosted its legendary flamenco show every Saturday. In 1962, flamenco dancers Juan Talavera and Margarita Cordova, along with her husband Clark Allen, oops, wrong Clark. Okay, there we go, much better. They opened and remodeled the building in the style of a 16th century Spanish tavern. How cool is this? Today, El Cid offers a romantic blend of dining, history, and entertainment that's unique and enchanting. So, next time you're in LA, instead of taking some boring pictures at the Hollywood sign, why don't you consider coming to El Cid? This should definitely be in your bucket list. Visit elcidsunset.com to find times and dates for their traditional flamenco show, or you can check them out on their Instagram.
You wanna go?
Yes.
Hola, Angelita, how are you? Guys, this is Angelita, and she is the lead performer dancer here at El Cid. For over 25 years with her company, Angelita Concierto Flamenco, and I am so truly honored to be dancing next to you. Me and Liberty are super excited. We just saw you dance, and it was like, wow. Liberty, are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited to learn some stuff from you because the way you dance is beautiful and it's such an honor to learn how to dance from you.
Yes! But first, let me ask you, how did you fall in love with flamenco?
I wanted to be a ballerina until my parents took me to Santa Barbara. It was the fiestas, and then the Lobero. I saw a flamenco show, changed everything. So when I graduated from school, immediately I went to Spain and I studied flamenco.
Wow, so this is like authentic. I'm actually getting a little more scared. I hope we can impress you. We've been stretching all day. I mean, mostly her. But anyways, let's get dancing. Let's do it.
All right, so levanta la falda, bring your falda up. Now with flamenco, of course, what they focus on a lot is the zapateado. Zapateado is the footwork. Zapateado comes from the word zapato, shoe, but we say footwork. Now we have 4 sounds we'll make El Cid. So put your feet together, okay? So now the first thing you're gonna do is gonna put your heel out there like this. That's the tacon, hit the tacon. This is the punta, the toe. Good. Okay, now let's use the other foot. This one is half a toe or a planta. Put your foot like this, now hit it. It's like a muted sound, good. Then our strongest sound is the full solo of the foot, or the golpe. Oh.
Hey, ole!
With those 4 sounds, we make up all those combinations. To do the footwork. And of course, we have special shoes that are made. The heel is made of wood. At the tip of the toe and the bottom of the heel, they're tiny nails. These nails are burned in a fire, then they're hammered into the shoe so that when I hit my heel, because it's in flamenco, we use our feet to communicate. Because it's the only dance form where the music follows the dancer. Bailador manda, the dancer commands. I go fast, they have to be fast. I slow down, he has to slow down. I stop, he has to stop. I start up again, he's gonna start up again. So how do we communicate? These 4 little sounds make up all these combinations, and that's how we talk to the guitarist and the singer.
So the dancer is in control of the music in flamenco.
Yes.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's amazing. How many styles of flamenco there are?
What you have in flamenco, you have cante hondo, cante chico. So what you have is the cante hondo is your, like I'm dressed for soleá, for these cantes that are about, you know, a lot of emotion, very hardship like this. Then you have your cante chico, that's a light song. And those are your alegrías, your rumbas, and all these that are happy dances. So you have these 2.
I always see like they really get into it, like they're there with the emotion, like it's a very passionate dance. I beautiful. Okay, what else?
All right, so we're gonna go back to rumba flamenca.
Okay.
All right, so levanta la falda. We're gonna do the llamada y. Now, corner, bring it back. You're gonna grab it, you're gonna bring it back. Because the hands are from the more. Okay, now we're gonna do a turn. Bring your arm up over your head. Just gonna golpe with that foot. Reverse. This step is very easy. Golpe, turn the hip. And we're gonna do llamada nomás con golpes. Give me a golpe. Palma. Now, the palmas aren't like hand clapping. It's not like this. You have to, are you left-handed?
Oh, I'm right-handed.
You're right-handed, then you're like this. So to do the palmas, you have to hit this part of the fingers to this part of the palm. It sounds like this. See? There. Ole.
Ole!
Muy bien, muy bien. We have 2 different times, mira. You give me 1, 2, 3, 4, both of you. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tell me a little bit about the hands.
The hands are
How do you
Moors.
how they do it so well? It's like you need to
Well, your
practice
hands-
it, huh?
Your hands, you start from the little finger. Okay, it closes, it closes, it closes, the thumb closes. And then as it closes, you open it right up and you turn it around. It's just the wrist that moves. It's just the wrist. Don't move your arms, it's just the wrist. Pa dentro, this is coming to you. Then you go pa fuera. When it goes out, then you out and you open it all together. If I were going to the audience and I'm going this way, I'd be like this to them. But I want to come back, I bring them to me. Yes.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Everything is either to me or out to you.
It's like,
All there.
go over there. Come to me.
Yes.
Go, no, I don't want you. I do. I don't.
It's exactly like that. Exactly.
Flamenco is a novela. Okay, we just learned from the best. You just taught us some steps. Let's see if we can perform for you guys. Liberty, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it. Let's see if we can do flamenco dancers. Okay, Angelita, we are yours.
Levanta la falda. Llamada.
Ole! Thank you. I love it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I had so much fun. Liberty,
Yes.
did you enjoy?
Yes, I have absolutely enjoyed this so much. Thank you so much for inviting me
God.
here. And thank you so much for teaching me this. This is incredible.
We are so honored to have danced with you today. You guys can also enjoy this show and dinner. We are right on Sunset Boulevard. All the information is gonna be right below. Thank you so much, and don't go anywhere because coming up soon there's a little surprise. So again, this is Move with Andrea, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Liberty, Angelita, thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
I had the pleasure of doing a little shoot with these young ladies here today. They were so wonderful, so nice. I enjoyed it very much. They didn't know I was going to do this, but why not? So now it's my turn.
We made you talk on video, now you're gonna make us dance.